Hey boys and girls, we're going to do some fraction worksheets right now together. And bear with me, I'm going to try to use the marker that is on my screen here, so it might not come out the best. But I'm going to try my hardest, just like you guys try your hardest at home. What I want us to do today is to write the fraction for the shaded area on each shape. Now, remember, we said a fraction is a part of a whole. So I know you can't see my hands, but when I say part, my hands are together. When I say whole, my hands make a circle. Okay? A fraction is a part of a whole. Okay. What is the fraction for the shaded area? Well, remember, we have a numerator and we have a denominator. Remember that. The numerator goes on top, denominator goes down under. Okay. The numerator is the part. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3. So 3 goes here. And the denominator is the whole. Well, how many pieces are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I make a 4. So that is 3/4. Can you practice saying that with me? 3/4. Nice work. Let's move over to the next one. Can you write the fraction shaded for me? Now remember, look carefully. Make your line to divide it in half. Numerator's the part. Denominator is all. Try it on your own. I'm going to check it with you in 1 second. Okay. Did you get 1 over, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That stands for 1/6. Can you say that with me? 1/6. Good job. Let's try this one now. How many pieces are there? And what is the fraction shaded? Well, how much is shaded? Just 1 over how many total? 1, 2, 3. That stands for 1/3. Can you say that for me? 1/3. Good, let's try this one over here next. Make your line to divide it in half. What's your numerator? Your part shaded. 1 over, what's the total? How many pieces all together? 4. This answer is 1/4. Good. Let's try another one, and I'm going to erase that in just a second. Let me erase this part right here. You guys are doing absolutely fabulous. Okay, we're going to move on now to the second row. Okay, here we go. Again, your line dividing the 2 in half. The numerator is the part. How much is shaded? That means colored in. Did you get 5? Over the total. How many pieces all together? Did you get 6 for me? This says 5/6. Practice it. The more you practice, the better you're going to get. Remember what we learned about Michael Jordan? The more you practice at something, the better you get. Okay, here we go. Divide it in half again. Numerator's on top. What's that number? Are you getting it yet? That would be 3 over the whole. Count them all now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What does it equal? 3/8. 3/8. Good, try the next one for me. Make that line. What's the total on the top here? The part shaded. So 1 over what's the total? 2. That's 1/2. Nice job. The next one, again, make that line. Your numerator comes first. That's the part. Count them out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of the total, what's the total? 8. 7/8. How'd you do so far? You feel like you're getting it? I think you guys are getting it. We have one more section to do. Let me erase this again. And then we're all done with your math. Working on your fractions. I'm so proud of you guys today. Okay, here we go. Drawing that line. Numerator on top. Count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Denominator down under is all of them. So here's 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the answer? 5/8. Check the next one. Draw that line. What's the numerator? 1, good, and the denominator down under. 4. Nice job. Check that next one over here. Count how many pieces. 1, 2. 2 over how many total? 3. 2/3. We have one last one. Here we go. How many? 2 over how many? 1, 2, 3. Again, 2/3. Nice job. I hope you're starting to understand how fractions work. It's not so bad, is it? All right. Good work, everybody.